In the age of AI, there is one critical challenge we cannot afford to overlook. Let's talk today about the critical challenge we are all facing in the age of AI: fostering psychological safety in our organizations. It's crucial to remember that human engagement still lies at the heart of our success, also in the middle of a technological revolution as the one we are in with AI. One concern that's growing among employees is the fear of being replaced by AI systems. As leaders, our task is to create a safe environment where employees can embrace technology without fearing for their jobs. Here are 3 ways you can promote psychological safety in the AI era. The first is about openly address AI's impacts on jobs. Be open and transparent about the potential effect of AI implementation on jobs within your organization. Discuss the steps you are taking to minimize job losses and outline plans for retraining and upskilling your team and members. By being proactive and honest, you can build trust and alleviate concerns about their future. While it's important to acknowledge the many existing uncertainties, leaders should emphasize their commitment to supporting employees throughout the entire transition process. Second idea refers to the promoting AI literacy across the organization that helps employees understand the fundamentals of AI, including its capabilities, limitations, and potential impact on their jobs. Provide workshops, seminars, or online resources that educate them about AI technologies and how it can be used ethically and responsibly. By increasing AI literacy, employees will be better equipped to embrace AI as a valuable tool and feel more secure in their ability to adapt to the changing landscape. This will contribute to fostering psychological safety in the workplace as AI continues to evolve. Third, encourage feedback and open dialogue. Invite employees to ask questions, voice their concerns, and provide feedback on the organization's AI strategy. This will help create a psychologically safe environment where employees feel heard and valued, even in the face of high uncertainty. There is a risk for all leaders of wanting to wait for things to become more clear before starting to act. The fact is, as you know, that it will never become as clear as we'd like it to be. Instead, leaders need to take action today, as this fear is already much present in the employee's mind and is already damaging their engagement. It's time to take action. Leaders have the power to shape the organization and create environments where psychological safety thrives. I hope you find this short video on psychological safety in the AI era insightful and thought-provoking. And if you want to stay informed on this topic, click on subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn to be part of a community that is driving positive change in the way we lead. Thank you for watching and for your continued support.